Long ago, in a cold, gray city filled with smoke and shadows, lived a small boy named Timmy. Timmy was an orphan, which means he didn't have a family. He lived in a big, drafty building with other orphans, and every day he worked hard, scrubbing floors and carrying heavy buckets. One chilly winter night, as Timmy trudged home through the snowy streets, he saw something that stopped him in his tracks. A little girl was sitting on the steps of a shop, shivering. She had no coat, no shoes, and her cheeks were as red as apples from the cold. Timmy felt a tug in his heart. He didn't have much himself, but he remembered a tiny loaf of bread he had saved in his pocket. He ran over and handed it to her. "Here," he said with a small smile. "It's not much, but it's warm." The girl's eyes lit up like stars. "Thank you," she said, her voice soft as a whisper. That moment gave Timmy an idea. What if people everywhere could share small kindnesses like this? Wouldn't the world feel warmer, even in winter? The next day, Timmy told his friends at the orphanage about his idea. What if we all did something nice for someone else? Just one small thing. His friends looked at him with wide eyes. "But why, Timmy? No one does that for us." Timmy smiled. "Maybe if we start, they will." So the children made little gifts from scraps they found. They gave them to shopkeepers, neighbors, and even other poor children. People were surprised, but their faces softened. "Why, thank you, little one," they said. Some even gave hugs or handed back cookies and apples. Soon, the whole city started talking about the strange little orphans. One day, a man named Charles Dickens, who loved writing stories, heard about Timmy and his friends. He decided to visit the orphanage. "Tell me, young man," Mr. Dickens asked Timmy, "why are you doing this?" Timmy's eyes sparkled. "Because kindness makes people happy, sir. And I think Christmas should be about making people happy." Mr. Dickens thought about this for a long time. Then he wrote a book called A Christmas Carol, about a grumpy man named Scrooge who learns that being kind is the best gift of all. The book became famous, and people all over started thinking of Christmas as a time for giving and joy. Years later, as Timmy grew up, his idea kept spreading. People started giving each other gifts and sharing meals. One man even dressed up in a red suit, calling himself Santa Claus, to remind everyone to be kind and generous, just like Timmy. And that's how one little boy, with one small loaf of bread, helped invent Christmas as we know it today, a day filled with love, kindness, and joy for all.